Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Deviant Blades whale, and what a whale of a knife this thing is. It's huge. Okay, it's not huge, but it's really big. It is 8.625 inches overall length, and 3 3/4 of an inch for the blade, and it is CPM 154 steel on this guy. A great choice of steel, one of my favorites. Frame lock with the thumb hole opener, and the handles are 4.875 inches in length. You've got Kevlar for this scale here. You've got a zirconium bolster, that's the word I'm looking for, and titanium liner and the frame for the frame lock. There you can see there. Now you do have a pocket clip for tip-up right-handed carry only, and it's going to ride about there in your pocket. So there's going to be quite a bit of this knife sticking out from your pocket when you're carrying it. Not necessarily a bad thing, but if that is going to be a bother for you, that is something you should keep in mind. 6.5 ounces for the weight, and here's a tactical clothespin for size comparison. Guys, this thing is pretty dang cool. If you want, there is also a pimped out version of this knife. I'll leave a link for it right there, with Damascus blade and other goodies on it. So guys, go ahead and buy this knife at BladeHQ.com. This is the Deviant Blades Whale.